we'll explore how TCM understands cancer, its causes, and how it treats it using natural methods, herbs, and restoring balance in the body. Cancer is seen as a type of blockage or lump in the body. In TCM, cancer isn't just a random disease. It's seen as a result of something stuck inside, like your energy, qi, blood, or body fluids not flowing well, similar to how a clogged pipe causes problems. Example: if traffic keeps building up at one spot in the city, you eventually get a traffic jam. Cancer, in TCM, is like a long-term traffic jam inside your body. What causes this blockage? TCM says the main causes are qi and blood not flowing smoothly, like low battery or blocked traffic. Phlegm and dampness building up, like mold in a damp house. Weak immune system, long-term emotional stress, and eating the wrong things too often. Example: if you constantly eat greasy food, skip sleep, and feel angry or anxious all the time, you're creating the perfect storm for sickness in the TCM view. When your body's energy and blood don't move, things pile up. Like water in a river that stops flowing, it gets muddy, stale, and causes buildup. That buildup becomes a lump, and that lump might turn into a tumor. Too much internal dampness turns into phlegm, and then into something worse. This isn't just coughing mucus. TCM dampness refers to a heavy, sticky condition that slows down your whole system. Example: imagine never cleaning your kitchen. Grease builds up, mold forms, and everything starts to rot. That's what dampness does inside your body. Your body doesn't have enough power to protect itself. TCM calls this zheng qi, your body's natural defense system. When it's weak, you get sick more easily, including serious conditions like cancer. Example: it's like having a house without locks. Anything can come in and mess up your health. Holding in emotions for too long blocks your energy. Sadness, anger, anxiety, or overthinking can harm your liver qi. That emotional imbalance creates real, physical effects. Example: just like stress can cause stomach aches or insomnia, TCM believes it can eventually cause physical masses, if not released. Don't just fight cancer. Strengthen the body. TCM uses a mix of strategies. Support your body, improve circulation, clear heat and toxins, soften masses, and bring emotions plus diet into harmony. Example: it's like gardening. You pull the weeds, water the roots, and give the plant sunshine, not just kill pests. Use the best of both worlds. TCM doesn't replace Western treatment like chemo. It supports it. Many patients use TCM to reduce pain, nausea, or fatigue during and after chemo. Example: if Western medicine is the surgery or the drug, TCM is the warm soup and massage that helps your body bounce back. heal the body by restoring balance. TCM treats each person differently. It's not about killing the tumor only. It's about helping your whole body become healthier so it can prevent future illness. Example: rather than just patching a hole in a wall, TCM tries to fix the whole house, from the foundation up. Thank you for watching this episode. Traditional Chinese Medicine. TCM, Perspective on Cancer. We hope this helped you understand cancer from a new, holistic point of view. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and see you in the next episode.